By the way, I do estate planning, financial planning program, retirement planning program, business insurance, and keyman insurance. So I also help my clients, business owners, to do legacy planning for them.
Ba?
So every day I talk to different types of individual, families, or even companies, owners of the small, medium enterprise, and we talk about how they can um, preserve and conserve their estate, or even how to transfer their businesses to their children or to their heir. Yan.
Ah,
Yan yung mga pinag-uusapan namin lagi.